Teaching is interacting in a nature-based ecosystem. In an ecosystem, plants, animals and organisms interact with each other, and they also interact with their non-living environment. Participants in an ecosystem have their own important and unique role to play. In a nature-based ecosystem, daily challenges occur when interacting with other living participants in the ecosystem. Living things must constantly find solutions to problems in order to survive and flourish. In a reef nature-based ecosystem, coral is directly influenced by the amount of sun and water it is exposed to. Coral is indirectly influenced also by the moon, which governs the tides that spreads the eggs for continued life. All participants in a nature-based ecosystem must develop basic skills of survival, such as being able to find an energy source, taking in that energy source, and using that energy for maintenance and continued growth. In a nature-based ecosystem, participants learn essential skills of survival by learning new skills from peers and from the adults in their community. A nature-based ecosystem is successful when all participants, from the smallest pollinating bee to the fierce hunting lion, are able to fulfill their important function in the ecosystem. No one participant is more important than the other. For example, if a bee was unable to fulfill its important role of pollination, plants and animals in the ecosystem would not be able to function effectively in their individualized roles.